One of the things that continues to draw me into islands is their ability to somehow encapsulate periods in history. Oftentimes, it's as if an island's disconnection from the world around it keeps things from changing, or at least slows them down enough for us to notice. Islands offer us some introspection, a chance to reflect on the past. This will always be a subjective pursuit, but maybe the stark contrast can help us see things a bit more clearly. This little island due southwest of Nagasaki, Japan, used to be about a third the size it is now. You can see clearly from above how much development and land reclamation happened here. And now it is almost frozen in time, ceasing to grow, emptied of its former inhabitants, and standing as some sort of memorial to time past. That time is one that some may look back upon with fondness and intrigue, but it also represents a dark period in the industrialization and development of Japan. It was the discovery of seabed coal that would bring people here, and by the turn of the 20th century, the island would be in a state of growth and activity. There were 4 main mine shafts going down up to 1 kilometer into the earth. One of those is said to have reached a nearby island, presumably Nakano. And to mine all this coal, Japan would need people to do the work. And much of that labor was forced on Korean and Chinese people. There were untold numbers of civilians and prisoners of war who were forced to do this dangerous, grueling work in the name of empire building and expansion. Hundreds died here on Hashima, from malnutrition, mining accidents, and exhaustion. At its peak, the island was quite crowded and fully developed. In 1959, there were more than 5,000 people living here in the concrete apartment blocks. There was a school, hospital, town hall, clubhouse, cinema, communal bath, swimming pool, shops, and a pachinko parlor. But coal would start to be replaced by petroleum, and by 1974 the mines and the island would be shut down. It has remained uninhabited ever since, an imposing and grotesque statue to a dark history. The silver lining, if you can call it that, is that visitors are now able to set foot upon Hashima, and thanks to the efforts of South Korea, the truth about its history of forced labor has been acknowledged by Japan and is a part of the official account of the place.